I'm Isaac with Perfection Auto Care. We have a 2022 Tesla Model Y with white seats. We are going to be coating these with IGL EcoCoat leather. We want to keep that white looking bright. We want to keep it clean. We want to keep it in good condition. Customer is active. He has a dog, enjoys the outdoors. So we really want to try and maintain those seats and just make them in general easier to clean up. So let's grab this and we'll head on over there. So the first step, we're going to go over and wipe the seats down with an alcohol-based prep wipe. It's going to get rid of any of the oils, any residue, any kind of built-up gunk off the surface. You basically want the surface as clean as possible. Second step, take this applicator, take the coating itself, apply it to the applicator. You're just going to essentially just wipe it on, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then wipe it off. Once it is on all these surfaces, just going to keep it cleaner for longer, especially the side bolster. A lot of people wear blue jeans. You're going to get dye transfer on a whiter color seat. It's going to make that a lot easier to clean up. It's going to give it a hydrophobic layer, so if you spill water or juice, coffee, whatever, it's going to protect that and keep those from really penetrating into the vinyl or into the stitching. Any surface that's wrapped in vinyl or leather, that's also can be protected. Same with steering wheel or really any high traffic areas. With this coating, it is going to provide about a year of protection that can be reapplied as often as wanted. For a car like this with 2 front seats and 3 in the back, it's going to cost around $100, $120. So now that these seats are all done, this car is ready to go. The only thing I would suggest is not using any harsh chemicals, nothing that's too acidic on it. That's really all you need to maintain these seats. If you're interested in this type of service, please feel free to reach out. You check out our Facebook, our business page, or Instagram. Just bring your vehicle in for a quote and we'll get you set up with something that's going to best fit you and suit your needs.